Good day, please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Irish Tesalona, 37 years of age. I am single with no kids. I have 4 sisters with no brother. I live in Awihao, Toledo City, Cebu.
How would you describe yourself?
I am honest, hardworking person and trustworthy.
Why do you want to apply abroad?
I want to apply abroad to help my family and to save money for my future.
Do you have work experience abroad?
I don't have work experience abroad, but I have experience here in the Philippines as a helper for 5 years with one couple and two children. Boy is 5 years old and the girl is 2 years old.
What is your duties and
My
responsibilities?
duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, washing the dishes, ironing, cooking, doing the laundry, and help the kids.
Are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, ma'am, I am willing.
How will you take care of the naughty children and children with temper tantrums?
I will be attentive and be patient to the children and will talk to them in a calm and compassionate manner.
How about if the newborn baby is crying at night? What will you do?
I will check the baby if she is hungry or her diaper is full, and I check the baby if she have a sick, and I tell to my employer.
What will you do if you become homesick?
I will keep myself busy doing cures, and I put myself that I am working there for my future.
Okay. Do you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Are you willing to take care of pets, even big dogs? Are you willing to take care of pets or
Yes,
even
ma'am.
big dogs? Okay. How do you describe your cooking skills?
I can cook Filipino food, but I can also learn their native foods.
Okay. Do you have any food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Do you eat everything?
No, ma'am.
Do you eat everything?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
How about smoking?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any body tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with the children or elderly persons?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to wake up very early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your final message to your future employer?
To my future employer, I will promise that I will do my best I will do my best, and I treat you like my family, and I treat your kids with loving tender care. Thank you and God bless.